Good afternoon, welcome back to Auto Assets. My name is Zach, and here with us today is a 2014 Porsche Cayman S. This is finished in Agate Grey Metallic. 20-inch Carrera classic wheels. Active rear spoiler. Does have a nice little exhaust upgrade by Sol. Nice red brake calipers tucked behind those wheels. Center caps with the Porsche colored crest, front bumper looks really good. There's a few little light spots. Normal for road debris and little rock chips. Wheels look great. Michelin Pilot Sport 4S tires wrapped around. Black leather interior with 14-way seats with driver memory. Got BOSE audio. All-weather floor mats. The door cards are in really good shape. There's no lifting. And the headliner is also in really good shape. Headliner's not falling down or anything. It's pretty common for this generation. This is optioned with the Sport Chrono Package. So you do get your lap timer, Sport Plus, 3-stage heated and ventilated front seats, 7-speed PDK gearbox. Current mileage 5,932. Folks, if you have any questions about this vehicle, don't hesitate to give us a call, 614-793-1050.